Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Fenrir. I hope everyone's doing okay with the whole crisis and all that. Anyway, so recently I just found the Wave 2 starter packs of Bakugan Armored Alliance in Target the other day. Unfortunately, I was only able to find 2 of these packets. I'm hoping to find more before these videos are online, so let's get to it. So, yeah, like I said, I'm hoping to find these guys, the other packs, but for now, I only found the 2. So this one has Dragonoid, Cycloid, and Hydrus, which is alright, but I already have the Dragonoid Ultra. It's the only dud one I got. So, just getting my knife ready, because it's... The one thing I hate about these starter packs is that it's just the way that they're packaged. It's just freaking annoying, people. What? I don't even know why I have a knife. I'm just gonna rip it open. It's the only way to get these things open. Granted, I hate destroying the artwork, but... Hang on. Gotcha. Ah. Anyway, we already know about the Dragonoid from previous videos, so we're going to look at the other Bakugan, of course. Tough bastards. Got him! Alright, I'm also gonna get the Dragonoid out so it'll be a lot easier to clean up. Why did I put the knife away? So, easiest way to pack things away. Whoa! I've not sat on this chair in a while. Anyway, of course we get the Dragonoid Ultra, which, like I said before, has been in previous videos. We also get the Aqua Cycloid. If you look, let's find its B power. Where the hell is B power? Can't find it. Ooh, it's not even on camera. Oh, 500 B power. And Chaos Hydrus. I mean, oh wait, this is funny. I just noticed. The Ultra one's right here. If I can just figure out how to. There we go. Ah, that's hilarious. I have both right here. Anyway, so, that's snuffy. I don't know why. So have a look at the cards. Of course, we have the gate card. The abilities we have Pyro Cannon. This is different. Halo Crescents, Back Thrusters, Cycloid, 500 B power, 6 crit, Hydrus, 300 B power, 6 crit, and of course Dragonoid Ultra. Alright, so that's in the first Ultra pack. Oh man. It's winter over here. I think it's triggering my allergies. I'm hoping it's triggering my allergies. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys stay safe.